Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
2003 Chevy Silverado SS 6.0 liter beast. I think all of them should come 6.2, 6.0. No more 5.3s. They need to be bigger, louder, stronger, all that good stuff. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. He's still building it, guys. So comes true duals already from the factory on these, and it was a dual in, dual out muffler right there. We cut it off and put two Magnaflow Magnapacks, one there and one there. Part numbers 104, 16. There'll be a link in the description for them for you guys if you want to put them on your truck. And then I got a 3.5-inch pipe, tailpipe, out the back into an oval tip. There it is. They come true dual, and then the tailpipe comes like that. So you'll need two of them to make it fit, so you don't have to add a Y pipe. The Y pipe is built into the tailpipe. But it's true dual, dual in, dual out muffler. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. As you guys can see, once he's done building it, he's gonna true dual it, he's gonna bring it back. All right, guys, 2005 Chevy Silverado SS 6.0 Super Sport. Nicely finished in white with sexy wheels. Really nice truck. Got an airbag system on it and everything. What we got done on it for you guys? He wanted it loud, so he said, we got you. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we true dualed it. It already comes true dual, so he had a cherry bomb on it from another shop. It didn't sound good at all, so we took it off and true dualed it and dumped it in the middle right there. So he can access his airbags and everything without any issues, all right? So there it is, 2.5-inch dump out the back. Look at that, beautiful, sexy. Compared to what I had on it before. It was widened to a single with a cherry bomb. Just horrible. Took all that off, cleaned it up for him. There it is, SS truck. Very nice, very beautiful truck too. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. If you're ever in the area, hit us up. Chevy SS 6.0. Much better. Oh, that's sick, bro. Look at this smile. Yeah. Hear sound decibels? Guys, that's awesome. Go to back it out. Yeah, I love that truck. This stance is perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. that sounds so good.